How's it going, guys? Bainer here, and welcome to video 39 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the CBO effectively. Before I get started, if you're following along and you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. So CBO, if you didn't watch my last video, stands for Campaign Budget Optimization. So what that means is you set your budget on the campaign level instead of the ad set level. And there's some advantages to this. What Facebook will do, when you set it on the campaign level, what Facebook will do is it will split your budget up amongst all the ad sets, and then whichever one does the best, it will put more money on that. So it's not wasting money on ad sets that aren't performing. But before we set it up, we want to be able to set some minimums and sometimes some maximum spends, because sometimes you might have 4 ad sets. Facebook might spend $50 on the top one, but then ad set 2, 3, and 4 will get like $2 each or something, and that just doesn't really work out. So my rule of thumb is you want to take 30% of your budget and split it up evenly as a minimum spend across all ad sets. So for an example, let's just say I've got one campaign, I've got 4 ad sets, and I'm spending $100 a day. I want to take 30% of that, which is $30, and I want to split that evenly amongst the 4 ad sets as a minimum spend. So 30 split 4 ways is $7.50. So I want to go into Facebook when I'm setting up the ad. I'm going to have each ad set spend at least $7.50 per day. So it just gives Facebook a good chance to spend a little bit of money on each ad set every day, because I've seen sometimes ad sets will, like I said before, it could spend $80 on ad set 1 and then it splits up $20 amongst the other ones every single day, and it just doesn't really work out. So you just want to set those minimum ad spends just so it gives each ad set a chance, and then after a couple of days or weeks or something, if they're still not performing enough to spend, I don't know, 50 or $60 each, then you can turn them off. But at least you want to give it some ad spend every day. So I will show you how to set up the minimum and maximum ad spends in another video, but I just wanted to briefly brush over it today. Just recapping, you take 30% of your campaign budget and then you split it evenly amongst the ad sets. So again, if you're spending $100, 30% of that would be $30, and then you split that amongst how many ad sets you've got. If you've only got 2 ad sets, you would put $15 each. If you've got 4, I would set $7.50 each. Just another rule as well I'll touch on. For campaign budget optimization, you want to be spending more than $20 a day. And if you're only spending $20 a day, I would only have 2 ad sets, maximum 3. If you're spending $40 a day, I would recommend 3 ad sets, maximum 4. And if you're doing $100 a day, I would do 4 to 5 ad sets max. If you're doing more than 100, I would still keep it at 4 to 5 maximum ad sets. But you know, for most people watching this video, they're going to probably be around $20 to $40 a day. So yeah, don't have $20 a day and then have 6 ad sets in there, because it's just not going to work really well. You want to, if $20 a day, 3 ad sets max. So hopefully that helps, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you on the next video where I'll be talking about using CBOs with interests. So yeah, I'll see you then. Thanks, guys.